Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey, and today I'm going to create another playlist. See here, this is my channel and these are the playlist I created. C programming, let's explore, yeah, my training videos, projects, all this. So here, what I was thinking is I need to create one more playlist on the basis of loops, like how the loop runs and how they print the patterns. So here, this is, yeah. So here we are going to go with the patterns. So in order to learn patterns, I will be uploading few patterns on a weekly on the weekly basis. Now here, in order to know the patterns, we need to know the nested loops. Okay, so let's understand how exactly it is. So the requirement is you should know the conditions, you should know the operators, like requirements to understand this concept is, first thing is basics of some fundamentals, like you should know operators, and then you should know if cases, and then looping statements, looping statements, and fourth one is nested loops, how it works, nested loops, all these things you should know. So basically I will be teaching you all this in Python. First we will be seeing the exact logic of this, and then we'll try to print it. Okay, so I guess you understood what is the playlist is all about. So it's all about the patterns. So for example, if you master, so like if you know at least few patterns, like maybe 50 to 100, if you practice them, then definitely it will be helping you, it will be helpful to you for placements. Okay, so here, uh, yeah, it can be helpful. Not only placements, it will boost your confidence. Yes, boost your confidence. So let's see, in today's session I will be here, and I have taught Python even. Yeah, see, basics, Python for basics beginners, it is here. You can go with, if you go with a playlist of Python, you can find here, see, discover Python, run Python file, all these things are there, and many videos I have uploaded on the sets. Yeah, so these things you can go through it and try to watch them if you don't know the looping conditions. Like here I thought loop also, typecasting, problem solving. Yeah, for loop it is same. So while loop, for loop, everything is there. Now let's get back to this pattern ones. So I'm starting this slide. See here, so first I will be explaining you how to imagine, like how to proceed further. So first pattern is this. Now in this, can you guys tell me how many rows are there and how many columns? So here I'm using this pen. So how many rows are there and how many columns? See here, this is one row, second row, third row, fourth row, and a fifth row. Yes, so it means how many? Five rows are there, and columns, this is one column, this is second column, third, fourth, and then fifth. So total I can say it is five rows and five columns. So here I can say this is column 1, column 2, column 3, yeah, 4, 5. Yes, and here we have one, this is the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, for every row means if I'm printing this one star, so there should be this, all stars should be printed here. So let's see how we can print this. Okay, so first, whatever the structure you are seeing, what you have to do is you need to divide it into coordinate axis, like x and y, or you can say rows and columns, make it a rows and columns. Now when we have a first line, one line how to print, or first star how to print, let's start that. So I wanted to print a star. So simply what I can do here is I can just print it, star here. Yes, and I'm executing this, and I'm giving the name as pattern, and see here how many, one star got printed here, one star. But now I wanted to print certain stars. For example, I want to print a few more star, so I can go with this into and 5. So can I print 5 stars? Exactly. So it is helping me to print how many, 5 stars, because it is a string into 5 something, it will be repeated, repeat the things. Now I can go with a loop for I in range. Okay, so in this, if I'm giving 5 means what, from 0, this 5 means from 0 it will start, from 0 to 4, all these numbers will be including for I. Okay, and colon, and then here I have to keep it in an indentation. That's it. Now let's see what is happening here. So did we got our pattern? Exactly, we got our pattern. Once again I'm printing it. See here, so one line I printed, but loops will help me to print the same line multiple times. See, so simple pattern, and I got our code also. Fine. So this is a simple, just 2 lines, and I got the pattern. The same thing I can go with a different way also. I don't want to go with a 5. I just wanted to print END here in this way. So let's go with this. Yeah, here now what happens is I simply got one line. I got, guys, when I got one line, it means I is storing 0. For 0, 1 star got printed. Yes, so let me explain you this also. So I, and here it is output. So I is what, I is 0. For 0, 1 star got printed. Yes, and for I is 1, when I is 1, how many stars, one more star will get printed, and that too, as I have kept here E and D, it will be printing in the side by side, same line. Now again here, if it is 3, if it is 2, again it will print what, one more star. So like this it will keep on printing till it becomes, for example, if it becomes 5, it will be what, coming out. It don't go to 5, 0 to 4 only. So 5 means what, condition failed. There is no 5 in this, 0 to 4 only. So it will print all the 5 stars. Now this we understood. Now I wanted to print one more time, so for that I am taking what, one more loop for j in a range of what, 5. Simple it is, range of 5, and then yeah, here it is, for j in range 5 start. Now let's see what is happening here is, for every I, if it is I is equal to, if I is equal to 0, for all this, if 0 it is there, j will be here, j will be what, it will be 0. Then if I is still 0, and the j will be what, j will be 1. Okay, so I'm just writing here, j will be 0. For this 0, it will be 1. Again, if it is 0, it will be what, 2. For every iteration, this j value will be keep on changing. So that is the reason we will be getting, like if it is 5 into 5, 25 stars, and here, so like this, so on. For example, if it becomes 1, I value becomes 1. For 1 also, it will be again starting from j will be 0. So what I can do is I can go with this way. If I is for example, I is 0. For this 0, j will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 only. Yes, so these many number of times it will get printed for 0. Again, when I becomes 1, same thing again. If I is 1, and then again it is j will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. So like this it will keep on printing. That is the reason I have taken what nested loop. Now let's go and check how many stars we are going to get. So I'm going to get, definitely it is 25 stars, you can count it now. But it is, I just wanted, if one iteration is done, then it has to start from a new line, guys. So in order to make it start from a new line, what we need to do, so we need to think about it. Like for example, I is there here, and then here it is j, and then here it is output. Okay, now here I value is 0, j value will be also 0, and 1 star will get printed here, 1 star. Then if I value, obviously when it comes to the internal loop, inner loop, it will not go to the outer loop again. Once the condition becomes fail, then it can go. So it will not go there. It will be like j value will be what, 1, and for 1 also it will print one more star, and that too as e and d is there, so it will be printing there. Again here for 2, for 2, for 3, for 4, for all this it will print what, stars. 1 2 3 5 stars printed. Now same way, when I is 1, and j will be again all this 0 1 2 3 4, for all this j values it will print again stars. It will keep on printing stars, but my point is I don't want the stars, it has to start from new line. So it should start from a new line. So how we can do that? So in inner loop only we need to make some changes. So once I'm going outside of this loop, and then I have to go with a new line, print, and every print statement if you write, it will start from a new, it will give a new line to us. So let's see, finally we printed what, this pattern. This is a beautiful pattern. You can say a square pattern if you are giving the same size. If you are giving different size, it will be again a rectangle pattern. For example, you have given 10 and here you given 5, so how it becomes, see here, this is a rectangle. Or if you given this as 20, see here, this is how the pattern it is. So that's it, guys. I don't want to take much time, and in next video we are going to discuss on another pattern. So I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something. So thank you, guys.